Hello friends, in this video I will show how to enable virtual machine platform on Windows 11. So firstly click on start, then settings, now here click on apps, here click on optional features. Scroll down, click on more, Windows features. Now scroll down. Here you will see option virtual machine platform. Check this box, then click on OK. Now wait for a few seconds. Now just you have to restart your system. Windows need to reboot your PC to finish installing the requested changes. So this way guys you can enable virtual machine platform on your Windows 11. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, so share, like and subscribe this channel.